We're in Seminyak today. It's beautiful weather. It will be probably beautiful sunset. It's not raining finally. We really want to try the erotic pasta rigiers next to La Favela. So it's also funny. I can already imagine how she's gonna eat the donuts there. And we're also gonna go to La Favela. So everyone should find something very interesting on today's video. And also we're gonna show you around the Eat Street today. It's Friday afternoon. It's not raining, so we'll be busy. Either way, this is the beginning of the Eat Street, just at the corner of Seminyak Village Mall.
It's very nice weather, and then yes, like Damian said, we are now in Seminyak again. But yeah, I know that some of you also, whenever coming to Bali, just stay in Seminyak and then go to the beach and strolling around Seminyak, and just maybe for 1 week or 2 weeks, just stay in Seminyak.
It's really not so bad. Many people walking from all around the world.
We will try to see Mr. and Mrs. Big Sexy Pates series.
Anyways, guys, Seminyak again. Seminyak is the best part of Bali so far. Everyone who are coming to Bali, you like Seminyak very much. Especially I make a very sharp video last time about Seminyak, as you can find everything over here. So why not? But we're gonna eat very interesting stuff, and we're gonna show you La Favela. So it'll be a little bit different than usual, just regular stroll. Pinky everything. Yes, very nice. Let's get inside, Sayang.
Let's see.
Yes. So this is the place with the stuff. You can have a donut with the dick, a pussy one, and also with the music of the Christmas song from the Ireland. Suits perfectly to this one. And what we have here, Sayang? What you are taking? How much you pay?
Okay, so I bought this one. You know, from this one, the waffle. Looks so cute.
And this lady got the beautiful note.
Exam money. This is so rare.
So rare.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, this
You're
one
welcome.
and this one cost me 75, and I wanna try it upstairs. And
Okay.
let's check how it is upstairs.
Okay,
Let's
let's go. Bye. Thank you.
go. I really like the pink decor and flower at the top. And when I see that the writing on the wall, actually, it's very eye-catchy things. You know, like life is a dick. Sometimes it gets hard for no reason.
So
Okay, I cannot wait to try this one. The shape is just like what it is.
you have to say it right.
The shape is just like a dick, but it's unique. You
Very
know,
unique.
something unique is just like. Let me try.
Okay, Sayang. You're trying this very nicely. I gotta tell you, even little doggo is happy behind you. Something left off your mouth, Sayang.
So
You
good.
have to clean it. We're just making little bit joke because it's very nice place. And how it tastes actually? Seriously?
Nice, just like a pancake.
Thank
you
you.
know?
So
But the concept, it's unique, and I think this one is only in Bali.
all right, enjoy, Sayang. There is the word on the behind you. I like it when you lick it. It looks interesting. Sayang, very nice, very nice. How is the donut? Okay, okay.
All right, so we are inside the La Favela, and then I'll show you how it is here. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, so I'll show you around how it is La Favela inside. Basically, it's just like a bar, restaurant with a very garden view, very cute design, and upstairs probably it's just like a club or something. Here it is, the place. So nice. What I can say is very, you know, nice looking restaurant with the garden, and people down there having dinner, having drink. So yeah, I'll show you around. Lights, it's just like a romantic place for dinner. You can have a dinner, you can, you know, have a drink, chill out. And look at this statue. Down there is the restaurant, just like this. And this is normally the bar, and normally also the live music are here. Yeah, so people also having a dinner here. It's very cool. Very cool place. Unique. Wow, this is just like the Chinese accent. Wow, what I can say. And then I don't know. Wow, it's very cute, isn't it? So nice. So nice. And the clock as well. Hello. And then we will go there. From the outside, it's really look like what I can say. One city in Brazil. Even the clothes hanging there is just like the accent of the. They said one city in Brazil. So I'll show you where we sit. Actually, we sit there. Damian and his friend. Yeah. And wow, this is very nice garden. They're more spacious basically. So nice. Very nice place. And now I will show you another point of view. Okay, so basically this is how the situation now. The later, the busier people coming here. This is how the situation at night. So nice, basically. Wow, the light and the music, like music basically here. And this is the bar. Very nice, what I can say. Wow. Yeah, this is it. All right, so actually this is the house, the nightlife in Seminyak Jalan Kayu Aya Street. The more night, I think the more busy. And we were in La Favela before, and wow, this is what I can say, busy. Wow, everywhere. Just like this. The traffic is only in front of here.